Hey, what's up, my friends? Today I am gonna show you this belt that I got for free for this company. It's called Waterfly. They sent me an email to review this belt, so I'm just gonna put it on and run a few miles, and then I'm gonna let you know if this is worth it or not.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DL Boots.
So I just got this out of the bag, and as you can see, it has a lot of space. It even has a hole right here, so you can, if you need headphones, you can see what it's outside. Yeah, it has a lot of space. It fits a phone and whatever you want to put. Oh, it has two. It has two different compartments right here, two zippers, and actually it has three. Yeah, this has a lot of space. Let's just put them on and see and go for a few miles, and then I'll let you know if this is worth it or not. So things that I'm gonna put inside this pouch is gonna be a sandwich, my phone, and that's it, because I'm not driving anywhere. I don't have to leave my keys. I'm just coming from home and go for a run. Why do I have a sandwich? You'll see why in a minute. But let's get to run. Now that I put this on, it feels really comfortable, but it doesn't matter how comfortable it feels now. What matters is how comfortable it feels when you're running. So I believe it comes with different colors, and I'm going to see, because I went to the website of Amazon. That's what they sent me. I'm just trying to be honest with you guys, and this is the color that I picked because I just want to be seen when I'm running, especially with this shirt. Of course, I'm gonna be seen anywhere I go with this shirt on. Let's just get started for my run. Right, guys, this is 1 mile. Let's keep going. Well, mile number 2, the belt's still holding, and the weather is beautiful right now. It's a good day for running outside. So let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Okay, so right now we're mile number 3. A few to go. The belt is holding. Let's get it. All right, guys, 4 miles. The belt right now is feeling a little bit warm. I mean, it's hot. It's not that hot right now, but because of me sweating, I think that's why it's feeling warm. But let's keep going. All right, my friends, this is mile number 5. I don't sweat like you guys do, but I mean, maybe it's a blessing, but the belt is doing its job so far. I'll let you know more in a little bit. Let's get to the next mile. All right, my friends, mile number 6. Let's go. The weather's still been good. Can't complain. Feel amazing. I like the belt so far, but I'm not done. Keep it posted. All right, guys, 7 miles. It's been a little bit over an hour running. The belt's still holding. The only thing about the belt is like I said, in mile 3 or 4, it gets hot, but it's getting the job done. That's what matters. So let's get it. Okay, so 8 miles right now. I'll pick up a friend. So let's keep going at it. A few miles to go. Not too many, not too much. Look at my lips, dry. It's all good. Let's go. So that's 9 miles right now. This is not sweat, that's water. There was a water fountain and I just took advantage of it. So a few more to go. Whew. All right, guys, 10 miles. So far, the belt is
working just fine. Like I said, it's getting hot around my waist, but what do you expect? You know, you're running, it's outside, it's hot, of course, but let's get it. Let's keep going, guys. I like it. I like the belt so far. All right, my friends. I am on mile 11, and it's hot. It's getting warmer. I don't sweat, like I said, that much, but I'm feeling it. Like around mile 9, I had a bite of the sandwich that I told you about. The sandwich was able to fit on the bag, but it gave me a little bit of energy. But I'm feeling it. It's hard, but you have to keep going. Let's go. All right, my friends, this is mile 12. Still going. Not sweating. The belt is doing fine. Let's finish strong. You know what? 1 to go. 1 and change. Just running a half marathon for you guys. Testing this belt with a half. We're almost there. Have not walked so far. It's hot now. All right, guys. So I just run 13.44 miles with the belt from Waterfly. I'm gonna cool down first before I can give you an honest review about this running belt. But it was awesome. It was warm, but guess what? Got it done. That's what matters, getting outside and getting it done. All right, guys, so I was able to go out for a run. I did 13.44 miles in this Waterfly belt. The pros and cons for this belt is that first, it has a lot of space. I was able to fit my phone in a sandwich here, and it felt really comfortable. And also I liked how this stretches. The other thing is that it got really hot on the waist, but I guess I could put it up to the side or put it lower. I mean, like, this is not a bad product. You can pick it up off Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. And this was a really good belt. Instead of grabbing stuff on your pocket or in your hand, this is useful if you're gonna go for long runs like the one that I did today. So if you haven't, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps the channel to grow. I'll see you next time.